Lay down on your back and place a blanket under your body and some support under your knees and neck. And make sure you feel comfortable so you can relax completely. Imagine yourself lying on a beach. Let your body yield into the ground. The sand beneath you is soft and warm. Feel your body releasing any tension, gripping or holding. Feel your body begin to soften more and more. Now inhale through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Again, inhale and a relaxing exhale. One more inhale. And then exhale all the air out. Allow the breath to continue in its natural rhythm. And notice how tension melts away as you breathe out. Become aware of the space around you, the vast blue sky above you, the support of the earth beneath you, and the space all around you. Open your senses. Feel your breath at the nostrils. Cooler air on the inhale and warmer air on the exhale. Feel your mouth. Relax the tongue all the way back. Feel your teeth. And let there be space in your mouth. Completely relax your jaw. Gently draw your attention to the ears and become aware of the sound from the waves. Let go of all the distractions, the things you tell yourself you need to do. For this moment, let it all dissolve. Allow yourself to deeply rest. Gently draw your attention to your eyes. Let go of looking at the outer world. And allow your eyeballs to become heavy and sink back. Become aware of your skin. Notice a gentle breeze on your skin. Let the skin of your body soften. Now we are going to move our attention around the body. Just follow my voice. No effort is needed. Become aware of your right foot, right ankle, right lower leg, right knee, right thigh, right hip, the right side of your belly, the right side of your rib cage, right collarbone, and then breathe into your heart center. Place your awareness at your right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, right hand, palm of the right hand, all 5 fingers of the right hand. Now feel the whole right side of your body relaxing and softening. Become aware of your left foot, left ankle, left lower leg, left knee, left thigh, left hip, left side of your belly, left side of your rib cage, left collarbone, and then breathe into your heart center. Now place your awareness at your left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left hand, palm of the left hand, and all 5 fingers of the left hand. Now feel the whole left side of your body relaxing and softening. Now bring your awareness to the neck. Left ear, right ear, back of the head, top of the head, temples, forehead, and the space between the eyebrows. Now feel the whole body free from tension. Feel the sensation of being restored and relaxed. Bring your awareness to your chest and feel the rising and falling of your chest as you breathe. Observe your breath like the waves in the ocean, ebbing and flowing, rising and falling. Your whole body is in a state of deep rest. Deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Slowly come back to your physical body. And then place one hand onto your lower belly and then one hand onto your chest. And notice how you feel now. And then slowly open your eyes and come back to the space. And thank you so much for joining me. Peace to you.